Hi everyone, this is Bonus. Hope you guys doing well. So yep, this video is all about a one book that I wanted to share because I'm getting a lot of comments that chef, is there any book where I can just go and follow? So yes, exactly, there are a lot more books, but one book, well, I will recommend you one book which is very important because one of my chef have done that, and I'm very happy that I have that book with me and the chef have given me personally. And yes, so I wanted to share with you all also so you can have this book. And yes, the main thing is that the content of this book and every single thing in a very simple word. There's no something that are very high vocabs. No, it's very neatly done. To be a pastry chef, or you can say like slowly gradually when you like go step by step, right, to become a chef. So some of few things that you should know, that what stages you should go for the books. You cannot just go and directly study the high professional books, right? Because you will not understand, because you have to go from the roots. That is what exactly I always say, roots and the basic. That is something which is the most important thing. And so this book has every single thing about basics and from the root itself, right? That's the reason I will highly recommend you to buy this book. So this is about the fundamental of baking, right? It has all the way, to be a chef and to start your journey with this, best book ever. And I'll show the content also. It's like very nicely done. I was very happy to see this contents, because sometimes there are a lot more books actually, but still we're confused, right? Okay, what is this, what is that? But this book will clear your doubts. And also the best part in this, actually, it has all the way questions. Once you're done with one chapter, they'll be asking a lot of questions. And also the question which has been given in this book actually is all like academics. It's all academics questions where you can easily, if you see the questions, just go for the chapter. Once you're done, questions will be there. Try to solve it. Easily you can solve it, right? And that is what exactly it is. Simple way of understanding. Simple word, that what he has used it here. So it's going to be easy for you to understand. This book actually is like all the way with all the images will be there. So also lots of questions. At least like when you're done with the one chapter, I wish, in our time actually, once we're done with the chapter, it's like just finish. We can't even figure out what type of questions may, come in exam, right? But I'm happy that this book has all the questions. Generally once you're done with the one chapter, so I wish somebody would have asked you some of few things from the chapter. Like, you're done with the chapter, okay, let me ask you some of your questions from this chapter. What normally you see in that, but here in this book, it will having all the way, typical questions where you can't even think of, okay, fine, this kind of a question also may come. So once you're done with the chapter, the questions will be there. You can just go and give a small test by yourself that, okay, I have done the chapter, let me figure it out how best have done my chapter. I completed my chapter. And simultaneously it has all the way, like recipes also. The recipes, here we go, all the recipes over here. It's not like 1, 2, 3, lot more recipes, okay? And one more thing, chef has sent a video. He gonna explain you some of few things about this book also. So let's see that video.
Hello everyone, my name is Amit Vohra. I am a cook, pastry chef trainer and an author. And it gives me immense pleasure today to introduce you to my book called Fundamentals of Baking. Now this book, Fundamentals of Baking, explores the entire world of ingredients commonly used in bakery and patisserie. It talks about flour, it talks about sugar, it talks about butter and so many other things. It is interspersed with recipes which help you understand how these ingredients function and behave with each other. It is written loosely around the syllabus which is prescribed by National Council for Hotel Management, and hence it is a very ideal resource for the students of hotel management, culinary arts, bakery and pastry arts, and a lot of budding chefs who are aspiring for their next move. This book is easily available on Amazon and the link for the same is mentioned in the description below. Should you have any questions or queries, or should you wish to drop in a feedback for me, please feel free to write to me on my Instagram handle at AmitVohra82. Happy reading. Thank you.
The book link is there in the description box. Click on that link, it will straight go to the Amazon and you can purchase from it, right? Just click on that link and you will get the book. Simple as that, right? This book doesn't cost much. It's just hardly like 510 bucks, right? So go and get one, right? I'll see you in the next informative video. By the way, roots second chapter is coming on the way, right? It's all about detail about custards. So we'll see you soon. Bye bye.